You're gonna have to do.
They're trying to show us how inaccurate.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you are exactly right.
Try for 1 milliliter.
So adjust that so that you can kind of see what you're doing.
That's almost 10.
That's like 7. I would try.
You think that's one? What? That's like 5.
No. Keep going. Let's get the measurements. Keep going.
There's not even water.
I know, pour it in there.
Oh, she's recording. Pour it in there, or do we just set
Pour
it in there?
Yeah.
We pour it in there?
That's the way
As
it
long as
goes.
it's teared.
Yeah, it's
Why are you looking at? Oh, you're Chromebook. I was so confused because I was looking at that.
Wait, so we pour it in there? Wait, do we just set this in there, or do we pour it?
how you poured
We
it
are
in there.
definitely in very close quarters at this time. Y'all are all up in each other's faces, so I need your practice.
Hey, that was almost really
That
close.
was really close. Right.
No. If you
Oh,
put
that's
the-
way too much. No, it's not.
We have to do it again. It says let measure another.
I know this is not.
No, I do mine in here, correct?
Oh, no, 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 no.
Changing.
Woo, oh, you, okay, you're doing that.
Daniela, it changed. Just change it. Daniela.
I forgot.
Hey, hey.
The number's not saying.
I got 129. That's pretty good.
Let's just put 127. So this is
Wait, I'm very confused. Wait.
me too. Where do we put this at? Where do we write the thingy?
Oh, I don't think we do it in that chart.
Yeah, but water doesn't. Okay, 1 point. Okay, you're good.
Where do we write this number at?
In your data table where it says mass,
Right here?
yeah.
Okay.
So the volume is going to be your 1 milliliter, and the mass is whatever the mass is. Now, your volume is it going to be 1 milliliter? Is it going to be 1.00 milliliters? Is it going to be 1.000 milliliters? How accurately did you measure in that beaker?
Mine says 1.2951.
Okay, you will write down all your decimal places.
So it'll be 1.
On the masses, on the balances, write down all the decimal places that are given on that balance, because those balances are accurate to those decimal places. But in your volume measurement,
Oh my gosh.
are you very accurate with that beaker? No. So you're not going to say 1.0 milliliters because you have no idea where that decimal point is. You're just going to say 1 for the beaker. When you get to the graduated cylinder, that's probably going to be different. You can measure out to that first decimal point. Right?
No, I think that we just pour it back in there and then we redo it.
On the density problem, we do not need to do that calculation at this time. Let's save that for later. You can do that at home. We just need to get the data today. So fill in the volume and the mass measurements right now.
What are we doing?
But I think that we have to do that 3 times. This.
Why?
Yes.
Let me ask. Hey,
Okay.
Zach.
That's the mass.
Wait, what?
Second time we do 2 milliliters, then 3 milliliters.
You add another milliliter to it. And see.
So we were supposed to leave our first milliliter in there?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
No, my milliliter.
All right, Danny.
We'll just restart.
Yeah.
Okay, so that what was it when we first poured it? 170 something.
Oh, I forgot that was on.
Oh,
I wonder if I was in our class.
Are we gonna keep,
hopefully
are we
not
gonna keep the
any.
number the same? Or we gonna change
Wait, I feel like there's a way you can see.
So right here, are we gonna write 2 milliliters?
Each,
Well, you have to
each
know.
one's got to be repeated
Yeah.
2 more times. That's
Oh,
the
there's
good
2
first
decimals.
time.
Oh, you already did yours?
Well, there's 3.
So do we just write 1.7 something?
Sure.
Okay.
So true.
4.
1.78.
Okay.
Oh, that wasn't terrible.
Okay, now,
Now let's do
Not
it again and
amazing.
just leave that in
Not
there,
terrible.
I guess.
so we're still doing
I don't understand.
Where'd it go? There.
Ask her if we're supposed to leave the water in there. Pass me the beaker.
Wait, Bentley was out.
Bentley.
Do I need to
Are
pour
we
this?
supposed to leave the water in there? Okay,
Oopsies.
pass me the.
Technically, right now, we're supposed to have 2 milliliters in there, but guess what? We don't got. Yeah.
That's like almost two. Okay.
Make sure you're reading the directions,
That looks
guys,
like-
following the directions. Follow the directions.
That
So
looks
now I
like
just
one.
need 1 milliliter.
Another milliliter.
Whoa!
That was a lot
That
more
was
than a
really
milliliter.
Come on, Dan.
Okay, that was
You're doing really good.
that was supposed to be 3 milliliters, and it ended up being
Like,
5.7.
Normally we would do that.
Oh, I did mine really
Oh,
bad too. That is so
5.70?
bad. I just poured like 2 whole milliliters in there. Okay. 4.8.
Teacher checked the record value for the volume.
can I put this over here? Where they
Do we
can
go
see
ahead and do the
stuff?
density and average?
Working with those
Yes. So is that right?
That looks like, yeah,
Okay.
that looks like what you're supposed to be doing, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I wouldn't do the density or the average right now, I would focus on getting the data.
Okay.
You can take averages and do densities.
So once we're done with the
Now they
beaker,
graduate
we
cylinder.
take the water out of.
You can dump it back into this and we'll reuse it for the next one. Okay, so y'all are going to good.
Oh gosh.
I'm just staring at the camera. It's kind of awkward.
Do we use one of these things?
There.
I know, it's
You use this now,
Alright.
and we put a 1 in there. This is the graduate cylinder.
Alright, this is about to be.
Using add 1 milliliter. 1. I can't really see. I need my glasses. Oh, that looks like 1 right there, right? I can't see though.
There's only 2.
You don't know that it's 000 because it was.
Well,
No, she told us to.
hey, that looks kind of right. Right there. That looks kind of right.
Yeah.
I can't really
make
see
sure
it.
that you have done file save as Google Doc, guys.
This
Because you don't want to, yeah,
Okay.
file save as Google Doc. Because you don't want to lose all your stuff.
It's missing.
What is? Oh.
The door being open.
The camera froze. Is it still recording?
Yeah. The door.
Yeah, you want to try and keep those doors closed to keep the air out. Make sure you hit file, save
Wow.
as Google Doc.
That was awful. Let's get some more in there. Okay, well. God.
And it was about how much? Point.
You do or don't?
That was supposed to be 1.00.
Well, just wait a few
It
minutes.
was about.
Tear that in.
Mine's like slow. Is yours slow?
Oh, it's just there's a lot of paper. Like, there's just
Wait,
a lot of space in
Danny,
these
where's?
papers. Or,
Where's what?
what the heck?
It's like halfway.
So we're gonna say 0 point.
And we got 0.68.
Alright, now we gotta add another milliliter. That's too much trouble.
Wait, you gotta do it so the camera can see it.
You're not good.
That's about on
That's
mine.
good.
That was good. Okay, we're putting it into this one.
Make sure that y'all are in Word document. Make sure you hit file, save as Google Doc.
I'm just showing what we're doing.
Now we gotta.
What did it measure?
0.8751 grams.
We were close. Okay, next.
You have 1.1. That means you're at this line
Oh.
and you make a.
That was a little bit much.
Halfway between this line and the other line, right?
That was too much.
My mouth is cut.
So, with the graduate cylinder, let's write it. Right now, that meniscus
That's
is
about-
actually a little bit.
I'm gonna put a little bit more.
So with this.
Okay, you think that's about?
It's just one.
one.
Alright,
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I like
Did
it.
it work?
Just say 0.
Alright, that one got us to like 1.4 something. One point 46. Is that what it says?
yeah, it just keeps changing, so.
1.44. Let's just do that.
Okay.
This scale keeps messing with me. Okay. Now we're doing it in this one again. Is it on there? Alright. Pass me the cylinder.
Oh, I should get y'all another graduated cylinder. That's
Oh, that was a little much. I spilled on the table. Almost there.
You don't have to share anymore.
Yeah. We do still have to share water. Excuse me.
There's a thing of water on there. It's been sitting forever, so I wouldn't drink it, but for experimental purposes,
But you're not supposed to drink anything in the lab.
no, you're not. You're right. So it couldn't matter, but
Okay, so that one was supposed to be 3 milliliters.
That was 2 point.
And we got it to 2.49.
Alright,
I know everybody's probably already done with the plastic beaker, but I'm gonna show you
Pipette.
another one of those for the next class period.
No,
That are a
this
little
one's
bigger
the
and a little
pipette,
more
right?
chaotic.
which one's the micropipette?
This one's micropipette. So this one's the regular pipette.
Oh, ours is a little cracked.
Ours is cracked. Oh, alright. So this is a pipette.
This?
It's like a YouTube video.
Unfortunately, I do not have enough volumetric pipettes for everyone to have two.
We didn't do it in.
I have enough of these things, I don't have enough of the black.
Alright,
We put this in there.
Are you sure we're supposed to use that one?
That's a pipette.
Huh?
That's a
Oh, yeah,
pipette.
they can see
This
it.
is a pipette.
Look,
Ow!
they can see it's better. The brightness
This is a pipette. That's
No,
not
but this is what we're supposed to use for the pipette.
Yes, I'm gonna get you another one.
there. Can you see it better? The brightness is.
Alright, so we got that in there.
This is a pipette.
And you have to roll up this thing
There you go.
Alright.
to get 1 milliliter in there. Uh-oh. You think that's good? Alright, to that line is about 1
Oh, crap.
milliliter. Wait, that one.
That's almost the line. It'll count.
Alright, move the camera to the thing.
You just
There. Now we're going to put it
I see the water.
in here by pushing the trigger.
Hit a little.
Going in. This is a lot slower than I thought.
It's not
It's almost there.
Oh. Oh.
It's not coming out.
No.
Where's that? It's the glare.
Or maybe that it is out.
Yeah, you got most of it out, I mean, it's,
Close enough.
so if nothing else is coming out, then you're good.
Okay.
Wait, how do you get it out then?
You push the button.
Oh, this way.
No, not that button. You push the trigger. No, right there. Yeah.
So
Alright.
now it's.
So we're supposed to get it to 1
And we got it
milliliter.
actually really close.
We got it to 0.99.
Okay. hold on,
So
we're
then
doing
we
this
will
again.
add another.
Hey, you weren't videoing that, were you?
Or we could just keep
Video
pouring until
you?
it hits.
Yeah.
No, did you mess up?
I sprayed it like on the back.
It clicks.
Or we could just keep pouring until it gets where it's supposed to.
Okay.
Okay,
The
next.
pipette, when it talks about pipette, they're referring to the glass tube. When it talks about micro pipette, they're referring to the thing that's going to cost $300.
Okay, that was pretty good. Now it's on the line again. Wait, this way.
We're gonna do this through the whole thing.
Look at Grado in the
Say hi to the video.
How many people are watching?
No
I
one's
don't
watching.
think anybody is. It's just a video. Okay, that one was supposed to get to 2 milliliters, and we got to
We were close.
1.89.
I think that worked better than that.
Okay, so that means that this is 1.
Maybe do that,
This is-
and then you do that.
Take 3. It stopped
Hey,
recording.
that's really good.
It is too tall.
It got.
There it is.
This take 3.
Alright.
We're gonna do
This all
it
the way
again.
through.
Do you want to do this?
No.
You don't want to? Okay.
I put the camera. Y'all need another micro pipette?
Oh, there it
Another
goes. We're
one?
No, we
good.
just need some more water.
More water. There's a bottle right there. You
We
Got
can
the
use
line.
Yeah, you
Okay. Ready?
Not
This is our 3rd milliliter.
I wish you had like actual phone because it'd be close up to that.
Or like a camera, like we're filming a movie called The Pipette.
Alright.
Okay, that's about our 3rd milliliter.
We got.
Wait, do I need to take this off before laying it down? I think so.
Yep.
Okay. I don't know if the water will come out now or what, but
Yes.
it will. Okay. Next.
Okay. We were supposed to get 3 milliliters, and we got close to.
2.88.
Now it's now it's time for this thing.
Hey, that was with my own.
Who's finished with their micro pipette? Anybody?
We are.
No, we
Can I
got.
have, can I borrow that one?
We just recorded that in the pipette.
What?
Is that the micro pipette?
Yeah, we need, no, that's just the pipette. This is the micro pipette. That's a micro pipette.
Here's what we're gonna be using it. Alright.
And our weigh boat back on the
I
scale.
was like, well,
I gotta screw this on.
I don't think. Hurry.
Does it screw or just sit on there? This is the one we use, not this one? Or are they all the same?
Some of them are. Does it matter?
I was just like,
I guess it's been. Well.
he didn't even know how it was.
You probably thought it was like a 5 liter.
Okay, so I've given out all of my micro pipettes.
I haven't even read any of these.
Speaking of Abby,
We supposed to put the instructions out to them so they know what we're doing.
Okay, this is micro pipette. So we need to tear the weigh boat, take that off. Tear.
Now.
Then using the micro pipette, add 1 milliliter of water from the supply beaker to the weigh boat. So then this is our supply beaker.
This is why we don't break it down all the
If you
way.
need more of the tips for the micro pipette, let me know.
I don't know how much you got.
That's our 1
wait,
milliliter.
what's the tip?
Actually, no.
It's this. Okay, then we're gonna put it in here.
It makes it look like so much water than there actually is. Like when they're open, it makes it look like there's so much more.
Yes.
Do that. Take this out first.
So you just.
Now.
So now. we're
So I
going
just like
for
do that
one,
once and I'm done, or?
And
Yeah.
we got
And then
to
it should.
And it should,
One
you see, you
point,
got it set, yeah, you got it set for 1,000 microliters, 1.000.
1.2
So
is
when you
what it
put that in your
says.
data table, you're gonna put
1.02
I think it's.
Oh, so we're not supposed to be trying to get a milliliter out of this?
Next, so we take this.
You did get a milliliter, because a milliliter is 1,000 microliters.
So then we put,
You got a super accurate milliliter. You got 1.000.
alright, back in there.
No, I don't.
Now, math wise, it might be different. Because what you're measuring, with that, now don't set that down with the tip on it. Don't do that either. Straight up. No, no, there you go. There you go.
Just take it off.
Okay.
So what this is measuring is
So we
your
got
mass.
2.2.
Okay.
This is measuring your volume.
So they could be different.
So yes, they could be different.
2.2.
They're not gonna be the same.
2.02
We
milliliters.
like using water.
And then number 3.
Because
Alright.
water has
Last
a very constant and very easy density to remember. The actual density of water is 1. Okay? So you should be getting about the same mass and volume. If they're a little bit different, that's okay. That's what we're looking at.
You forgot the video of the other one.
They should be drastic.
Oh, so we forgot the video.
Yo, we got Danielle. We got right at it. Look,
Remember, each time on these volumes,
Okay.
we got right at it. Well,
We
it
were
was.
going for 3 milliliters.
It was right at it.
And now we got 3.02 milliliters. And
It actually be great. All right. And now,
so now we're done for this part.
sorry.
So next we have to.
What was that 1 point?
Cole take over the camera.
Okay, Abby and Cole are not good, so they'll.
All right, they're gonna take over.
What?
We finished our little portion, so it's your turn.
Cole, don't put that upside down.
Oh my god.
You can't see it.
Dude, we're barely getting over 2. Oh.
What was it? Cole.
Well, you have
Maybe
got
that's what he
more
said.
decimal places. You guys are now more decimal.
You thought I'd do it, just come up.
So you're going to get
Nice. We did that.
a more accurate answer. It's not just gonna be one.
Oh my gosh, I've been doing all these on the top.
With all the decimal places, they're gonna.
I've recorded all of these on the top.
What?
No?
So did you?
Wait, what are we doing?
We're supposed to be recording hours down here. And the whole time. We can just copy and paste.
Now, okay, up here, when you're doing the beaker, you didn't have that many decimal places.
Right. Well,
This
we
thing.
recorded
Okay.
it.
Okay. I just wanted you to make sure when you're figuring in your density and you're doing your numbers, that this beaker has no decimal places. You just estimated. See it?
Oh, I thought we were doing what
smallest number.
those have.
No, you're doing, for volume, you're doing what this has, which you just estimated that. So you can't say there's any decimal places in that one.
Okay.
But with the graduated cylinder, you can measure to 1 decimal place because you have all those little graduations. With the pipette, you can do 1 decimal. With the micro pipette, you can do 3 decimal places.
Okay.
Okay?
So this one we have. Oh no.
Just go to undo, and it will undo.
Alright, so that's right.
Yeah.
Do we do these now?
The initial
done with
one,
this?
yes. And
I
then you'll do
think
it the
so.
same way you did it.
The percent error. I need a calculator.
You need your Chromebook?
Well, on the test, I'm gonna need a calculator.
That's true.
Do you have a calculator?
No.
You see, our math, we don't use calculators. So I don't even have one. That was really fast. Like pee pee.
Try to copy and paste.
I split it.
This. It won't let me copy it.
Ew, it's like yellow on the end. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Ew.
What did you do?
I didn't do that. It was already like that. What are we doing with the
Can we just
thermometer?
you said another one?
What were we supposed to do with this?
Is that-
I don't know.
That's how you measure the temperature.
Yeah, that's why it looks kind of weird in the back because I slept on it and it was like black. It's weird. Thank you.
Oh, would the mass row be grams or milliliters?
What?
Have y'all gotten all your measurements?
I put it as grams, not a lot.
This one's milliliters.
Like when we got the decimal place, I put it in as grams.
Oh, and
What are we supposed to do with
we don't
this?
have a name.
I just wanted to see if this worked. I figured it did. Temperature. Do we do this part now? What is this?
Oh, you do need to take the temperature of your water, so you have it, just put the thermometer in there and leave it for a minute or two and then read it.
So what is this part supposed to say? If that's not right.
Okay, so this is just gonna be 1, 2, and 3. This is gonna be 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. This one is gonna be the same, 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. Down here, you have all three different.
Oh wait, so where do we write the temperature of the water?
I believe it's at the top, right here, in that little
okay.
space right there.
Okay, guys, you do need to take the temperature of your water. That's what the thermometer is. Just take your thermometer and stick it into your supply beaker. And leave it for a minute or two, let it come to equilibrium there. And then read it. You'll put that number, there's a space at the top of your data sheet for temperature. Okay?
Wait. This is just 1 milliliter, right? And this is just 2 milliliters. This is just
Should we just put the camera show them?
So
No,
they're
that actually
calculating. I wonder who else is gonna see
So have
this.
you gotten all your data?
yes. we just
measuring-
type in the wrong
Or not
place.
measuring, we're taking the temperature of
All right,
our
why don't you,
water.
just kind of wrap it up, tell them the last few things you're doing, and
Then we can stop it.
then you can stop it. Yeah.
Okay. So is this from? I'm sorry. I didn't.
No, you're
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take the temperature of our water with our
Okay,
thermometer.
one more thing, graduated
And
cylinders
then-
have one.
And then what did I say?
Thermometer.
It is a thermometer.
Yes,
And then we're going
and so you'll
to
get the data.
calculate the density and the average density, and then we'll be
Record the
done.
temperature
Yes,
of your water.
and then we'll be done.